Hello guys, have you ever stared at a pile of numbers, for example in an Excel worksheet, and wondering if there is any weird data point that is messing up with your analysis? Well, let me quickly show you and explain you what a box plot is. Let me introduce you to a box plot. So this is a graphical tool that allows you to visualize numerical data, and in particular is a graphical visualization of the 5 summary numbers. So we see the minimum here, the first quartile, the median, the third quartile, and the maximum. These 5 numbers divide the data or divide the numerical data into 4 equal sized buckets. Each bucket contains 25% of the data. Now let me quickly show you this idea of whiskers. So these lines that you see that start, for example, here and it ends here, or this line that start here on Q1 and ends here, those are called whiskers, okay? And here you have the formulas associated to the whisker. Now you may be wondering what that has to do with my data, and how am I going to use this information to, in some sense, identify weird data points in my data? Well, let me quickly show you how you can use a box plot to identify what in statistics is referred as outliers. So in plain English, an outlier is a data point or data points that they are very, very different from the other data points. And what I mean by very different, think of data points that they are very, very large compared to the others, or very, very small compared to the others. So, and this is where Boxplot in some sense can quickly identify outliers in your data. So if you visualize your data with a Boxplot, so anytime that you see points, data points that fall outside of the whisker region, those points are considered outliers.